Hello friends, today I am going to introduce a very famous personality, well known worldwide for his unique writing and world records. He is Dr. Harshavardhan Kamble. Dr. Harshavardhan Damodar Kamble, born on 12 December 1970 in Nagpur. He is grown up and brought up in Nagpur. He completed his basic schooling and college education from Nagpur. By profession, he is a doctor. He completed his degree from Government Ayurvedic College, Nagpur. He is presently working as a medical officer in ESIS Hospital, Nagpur. He lives in Nagpur at Hanuman Nagar, Krida Chowk. He married with a beautiful lady named Nabha. She is a doctorate and working as a professor in Jawaharlal Nehru College, Nagpur. Dr. Harshavardhan is a father of two lovely children. Since 1992, he wrote a letter to editors in different newspapers on various subjects for social awareness. Up till now, more than 6,500 letters to the editors have published in different language in different newspapers. Dr. Harshavardhan is a single person, belongs from Dalit backward community from all over India. He sets many world records for his unique writing is still intact up till today. First time in 2005, the Guinness Book of World Record had to take note of his initiative writings, and the record he set is still intact today. This record is made for the most letters to the editor published in a year in multiple newspapers. In 2010, he set Limca Book of World Record. In 2016, India Book of World Record for the most letter to the editor published in 1 year in a single newspaper. Recently, he wrote a book on मागास जातीची नावे आणि त्यांच्या समस्या in Marathi language. This book also set a world record for the longest title of book name in the Marathi language. He also awarded from many NGOs such as Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Fellowship Award, Sant Tulsidas Rashtriya Gaurav Puraskar, Mahatma Phule Talent Research Award, Scientist of the 21st Century International Award. Dr. Harshavardhan is always being in a limelight and inspire so many Indian youths for his unique work and setting his own example. As I know Dr. Harshavardhan Kamble from last 30 years, he is a friend of mine and senior to me in Government Ayurvedic College. In 1992, I came in a contact with this personality. He is a very thoughtful and active person. He looks very decent and cultured. From college life, he started to write letters to the editors, and this hobby becomes a world record. Harshavardhan is a down-to-earth personality. As I know him, he belongs from a very simple and middle-class family who struggles for their survival. No one had even dreamed that this simple looking guy will shine like a twinkle star and bring wisdom on this beautiful earth. He has a great courage, and courage is the ladder on which all the virtues mount. If you have a courage till the last breath of your life, you can assure rest of the people that you have not lost everything. The greatest test of the courage is to beat defeat without losing hearts. Dr. Harshvardhan always used to say, it's very easy to create relations but very difficult to maintain for lifelong. He always ready on his one foot to help needy. He takes initiative in social programs. He is a true example of friendship. He expects nothing but accepts everything. He strongly believes in cooperation. Harshvardhan always used to say, all men makes mistake, only fools repeat. He stick to his principles. He always say, don't run here and there, because when an elephant is in trouble, even a small frog kicks him. Be firm on your words. Failure does not mean you are finished. It means you have a chance to try. Dr. Harshvardhan follows the path of Buddha. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj and Mahatma Jyotiba Phule are his ideals and the heroes. As he is interested in social work, every year in Nagpur, on the occasion of Diksha Bhumi, he used to give his free medical services to the peoples. He also donates food for the pilgrims. He is shining like a twinkle. He is a gem of our society, and sky is the limit for his work. I am very happy to inform you that Dr. Harshvardhan Kamble is nominated for Padma Shri Award 2020. He is the only person from the Dalit community who is nominated for this award. Many more records and awards are still awaited for him. He is a gem of our society. I congratulate Dr. Harshvardhan Kamble and wish him a great success for his continuous writing. Myself, Dr. Suryakanta Patil Kamble, Director of National Institute of Paramedical, Nagpur. Thank you very much.